Hey folks, welcome to Peepaw's Shop. Just got this new product in from P Group. I'm going to take a quick minute to show it to y'all. And wow, look at there. 3-piece Ratchet Wrench Set. And it's in a foam package to protect it. And man, that is just sharp as a tack. Let's see if we, okay. So there we go. 3 of them. P Group. So you got your 1/4-inch drive. You got your 3/8 drive, and you got your 1/2-inch drive. Now these are pretty slick. Good looking tool. Nice and black, smooth. Got that kind of handle that you can just grab hold of. Got your reversing switch right here like most of them have, but look here, it's got a release also. Release that socket. I like them when they have a release. I like them when they hold them on. Got to be on there tight. Got to come right off with that release. This is a 90-tooth ratchet. Why is that important? Well, because it's a 90-tooth. You get that little click, just 4-degree turn, I think is what they said, and you get that next turn. So you're in them tight spots, maybe with that 3/8 ratchet, same 90 degrees, and you're in that tight spot, just a little bit of turn, and you get a bite, you get a bite, you get a bite. Every time you get a bite, that socket's going to move for you. Good looking set of tools. Hey, if you need some spare ratchets or just some more ratchets, whatever you need, give P Group a look. This is a good set. 3 sizes, about all you need right there. I think they're going to work out real well for me. They're going to go with some other socket sets I got that also happen to be black in color, black finish on them. And if they work out good for me, they'll work out well for you. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.